We're confident that you've gained enormously from the past hour or more of this very intense and detailed presentation by Moreno Harav Belsky and Harav Goldberg and Rabbi Loike. This presentation today is the sixth in a series of OU Kosher DVDs. All of the DVDs are available to be gotten through the OU Kosher office through the email saffron@ou.org. This presentation is part of the ongoing OU Kosher educational programs that includes the DVDs, the OU Kosher coming to schools and yeshivas, to the college campuses, as well as the extensive Ask OU programs throughout the country. I want to take a moment to thank my very dear Chaver and colleague, Rabbi Farrell, for his continuous work, assistance, and devotion to this and all of our programs. Thank you so much.